Okay guys, what's going on? It's TV Pleb here. And I'm joined by Jigsaw. And we are in the last this is just a short clip because this is the closest we've gotten. This is the closest we've gotten to this good. And I know that you guys cannot see my face cam. And I turned it off and hold up. Okay. So pretty much. Oh, they're coming from over there. Don't shoot at all when you're in a bush. That's a good tip. Don't shoot like a rocket launcher or anything like that because then it'll give away your position. So Jigsaw is just over there in that bush while I'm in this bush. So now we are in the top 5, which is amazing. I'm not planning on dying. The reason why we are recording this is because, well, the reason why I'm recording this is because in case we win, this could be a high explosive. This will be our first high explosive win. Unless they somehow realize that we're in the bushes and we're dead.
Okay, are you back yet?
Oh, I'm back. I've been back.
Okay. You stay there.
Yeah, no, don't move. Don't move either.
No, trust me.
Stay hidden. Stay hidden. Why are you going around the mountain? Oh, I hate that 3D sound. Ugh. Whew. Jigsaw, what are you doing? Did you just suicide bomb? You just tried to suicide bomb, didn't you? Dude, you were dead anyways.
Anyways, basically all the guys are on the hill.
I know.
You're trying to go grab my legendary grenade launcher.
I have a purple one though.
It's just you and him. It's just him. Don't.
I'm not gonna show myself. I'm not gonna show myself. Oh my gosh. I've been right next to him this entire time. This is funny. I cannot move out my spot. Wait, is he low?
Yeah, he's alone. It's just you.
No, I mean, is he low on health?
I don't know.
Should I shoot at him right now?
Shoot at him. Shoot at him. Don't shoot where he is.
Oh, I'm so dead. I'm so dead. Oh, dang it. I mean, hey, at least we made it into the top 2.
Yeah.
I made it into the top 2 while you made it in the top 3.
No, our team got into top 2.
Yeah. But technically, if we separate, it's different.
I've gotta go.
Okay. Well, enough this short clip.
Okay, gotta go.
Okay, see you then.
Bye.
Oh my gosh, guys. That was freaking intense. That was the closest I've gotten to even winning a solo. Oh my gosh. Man, that was awesome. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this short clip. I had to record this because, well, I saw that we were in really close to the top, so I realized why not just go ahead and like record it in case like we win or something completely. But then freaking Jigsaw decides to go up to the mountain and suicide bomb, which he shouldn't have done because of that we lost. If he hadn't, we would have been in top 3. We could have both gone up there together, and just killed him. He would have lost. But instead, Jigsaw decided to go ahead and suicide bomb. Trust me guys, we would have completely won that if Jigsaw had not done that. But yeah guys, this clip, that's gonna do it for this clip of the day on high explosives. And so yeah, I am TV Pleb, and I will see you guys in the next video. See ya.